up friends, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload files to Canva from your phone. So as you can see here guys, I'm in Canva. If I close out, I have the Canva up on my Android phone here, and yeah, once you sign into your account you can easily upload files. Now how do you do that? Click the projects on the lower part of your screen, and then you want to scroll down a bit under the folders and you will find uploads. That's your upload folder. That's where all of your uploads actually go. Once you upload them to Canva, you can upload files directly onto Canva from your phone. So in order to do that, you want to find the upload folder as I show you here, then click the three that's on the upper right hand side, go to upload files, and from here you can choose whether you want to do your Google Drive or directly from your phone. If this is not showing up, all you have to do is just quickly swipe down to just quickly do a refresh, as you can see there, and it's going to quickly refresh and you should be able to see files coming from your phone, right? You have personal, you have work. If you have something there, you should be able to find it, but the personal is what's going to pull directly from your phone. And you just want to find something guys, and I'm going to quickly find something simple. Let's take this picture here. I can click on that, and as you can see, it's quickly loading in Canva. And that's it. That's how you quickly upload the files from your phone on Canva. Very easy and very simple.